Simolio JH-747D is a 4-headphone 1-transmitter wireless set designed for group audio listening and audio sharing. You will find these contents in this video. Here is a brief introduction of Simolio JH-747D. Let's start with the headphones. You'll notice the function buttons, LED indicators, and function interfaces. On the transmitter, you'll find these function buttons, LED indicators, and function interfaces. In the packaging box, you will find these items. First, power the transmitter by connecting it to a wall outlet. Then turn on the transmitter and headphones. Slide the headphone to the TV position. They will automatically connect. You will hear TV connected. There are 3 ways to connect the transmitter to your TV: optical, auxiliary, and RCA. If your TV has an optical audio out port, plug the optical cable into the transmitter's optical port in the input from TV section, then plug the other end into your TV's digital optical audio out port. Then set your TV's digital audio output format to PCM. Depending on your TV model, you may also need to activate the sound output by selecting External Speaker. Check your TV settings for the correct option. If your TV has an 3.5mm audio out port, plug the 3.5mm auxiliary audio cable into the transmitter's AUX port in the input from TV section, then plug the other end into your TV's 3.5mm audio out port. Depending on your TV model, you may also need to activate the sound output by selecting Headset. If your TV has RCA audio out port, plug the RCA audio cable into the transmitter's AUX port in the input from TV section, then plug the other end into your TV's red and white RCA audio out port. Depending on your TV model, you may also need to activate the sound output by selecting External Speaker. Check your TV settings for the correct option. Have a soundbar or AVR? With the bypass feature, you can enjoy TV sound through both your soundbar and headphones at the same time. Please make sure you use the same connection type of input and output. You can add more 747D headphones to this set. First, turn on transmitter. Press the pair button for 3 seconds until the LED indicator flashes green quickly. Then, turn on the new headphone. Slide to the TV position. Press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons for 3 seconds until the LED indicator flashes green quickly to enter pairing mode. Now keep them close. The headphones and transmitter's LED indicators will turn solid green, and you will hear TV connected from the headphones. Power on the headphones. And slide it to BT mode to enter pairing automatically. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, find and select Simolio 747D to pair. Once connected, you'll hear Bluetooth connected. To charge the headphones, simply plug the headphones into a compatible USB power source. Thanks for watching.